It's the Hogue X1 MicroFlip Black Sig Medallion folding knife. Comes in a nice pouch. It has G10 scales. There's your Sig medallion right there. There's your pocket clip. Has Hogue on it. G10 scales, nice grip. There's a flipper. It has a Wharncliffe blade. The steel is made out of CPM154. You got nice jipping there. It is a Wharncliffe shaped blade. Has a Cerakote finish. There is Hogue made in USA and the Sig Sauer. Fantastic little flipper right here. Great everyday carry, very sharp. That's the Hogue X1 MicroFlip Black Sig Medallion.